Hello, today I'll be going through how to edit your products and your product template on your Handy site. So first of all, we just want to log in. You'll just type in WP admin by the URL and then log in with the admin logins that are given to you. Once they're there, you'll be given this page. There'll be a bunch of options at the top. We'll just go through editing products themselves first, and then we'll go into templates. So for products, you just find the product you want to edit. Let's say you want to change one of the features or one of the descriptions. You'll just go to edit product here. You can also go to the dashboard backend and edit the product from there as well. I'll show you that. So just get to the dashboard, you highlight over the top left, and then you'll see dashboard here. And once that loads, you'll go to products just underneath WooCommerce here. This will give you the full list of products. You just do the same, you find the product you want, and then select edit. Once you click edit, you'll be taken to the screen. This pretty much has all the fields you need to enter. I'll show you what that looks like on the front end. So here's the product title. This is just what shows at the top here. If we scroll a little bit further down, you'll see product fields. This will match the features here. So just the dot points. So if you want to make any changes, you just either add a dot point, remove one, or change the text. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll see product category. This is the category that shows up here. So it's just a drop down and then choose which category it follows into. You also have underneath stock number and more details. These are all the case details that we have here. So you just fill them out at the bottom, just for what each column will have. You can also make a second column. Let's say there's a different variation. You just fill it in stock number 2, variant size 2 here down below. If we scroll further down, then we have the download section. These are to the images and links. You won't need to edit this much. If you need to change the image link, you'll just go edit and then insert the link there. And as we scroll down, it'll be pretty sequential. So now we're onto approvals. If there's any dot points you want to add to approvals here, that'll show up at the top. But at the moment it's empty. And then if we scroll further down, we have applications. So there's 6 slots for applications, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just edit and enter the text here for each application. Then at the very bottom, we have short description. This is the description that shows at the top here. You just change the text to whatever you want it to include. Once you're happy with all that, there's a few more options on the right-hand side. You'll see product image. This is just the main image that shows. There's also product gallery. These will be optional images that will show down the bottom. There's also product categories, so any categories the product fits into, such as this one fits into engineering, cleaning, forestry, as well as electrical. There's also product tags. This is any tags that are applicable to the product. You just type these in and add, and it'll add to the list here. Now that you have all those changes done, you scroll all the way to the top, and then you'll see update. Select update there. Once that finishes updating, you'll get a little message, product updated, and you can view the product and see what it looks like with all your new changes. Now you can see, and this will pretty much work the same process as if you're adding a new product. So let's say we want to add one brand new, we'll just go add new at the top here. And then same thing I just went through, you just fill out all the details as you need and then publish the product. All right, that's everything for editing products. As for the product template, the process is a little different. The template is how the design of the product page is controlled. So let's say we want to move around this text, or we want to move how this is ordered, or we want to add a new section. or you want to change the related products, we'll go to the product template. So to do that, you'll go on a product page and then hover over edit with Elementor. And here you'll see product template we have here. Once you click that, it'll take you into an Elementor editor. And from there, it's similar how you edit regular Elementor pages. So let's say we want to rearrange this Inquire Now button. We'll just drag and drop and move it to here. Same thing as anything else. Let's say we want to change what extra information says. We want to make it have an S or capitalize it. We can change that from here as well. And then same thing with the other sections. If we want to change how related products is worded, just select and we can edit the text there. And same with the who we work with. I recommend if you have any complicated changes to these designs, then have one of the team take a look. But same as before, once you're done, you'll see a big update button, just like that. And then go back to the live page and refresh, and you'll see any changes that you made. Obviously there's none there, so nothing will show at the moment. That is all. Alright, that is everything I wanted to go through. As I said before, to see the big product list, you just go to all products. You can also filter by which products you want to look at. Let's say only engineering, only industries. You just select a category, select it, and then filter. And then make any changes that you need. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.